Come.
We don't call me soon for come by you.
No problem. So, what else did they sell?
I got nothing.
Yeah. How much?
500.
Massive. How much for all this market?
All this market?
Yeah.
At 10,000.
10,000?
Yeah.
Problem, they can't look at the Air Force. I find man, no.
I know.
I give you 60,000 for this market.
Hey, Mado, see the campaign news when the first lady be launched. They say hands off our gas. This not small picking.
Fine, that boy all loud. Hands off our gas, what's the name? This is your name now, Costa, eh? You see what the name of Costa.
But then in Nigerian name, you don't go say for that not to in him. Eh? But na gas, na the general name down there.
Forget about that. They
small picking.
You the fool. You don't go pass the sense now you eat. Now you go say cars na this na name of Costa. Just go side go continue.
I'm friend with you. I make her the warn you. Right now, if I take time, now me friend with you. I make her the warn you. Forget about this picking here. Now for look for your rank. This na small picking.
Mr. na small man.
Me na come out.
Just come on no more. Now tell us stay by you. I sort na so you send sort. Just because of no more, you knock your opportunity for get find man like this kind and make it the make so. Hey, local boy, yeah, big no listen ya. No listen that be don't crazy, yeah. Local for this clap 70,000.
They sell Pico.
They sell the baby.
What happened here, so Augusta? What do we are? What happened?
Mama, I sell. No, so
What did you say? Stand by. I yes, scatter so.
Who say you been there?
Augusta, who say you been there? What Chiba? Who say you been there? Who say you put money? Who give you money? Who give you money? Who say you pay money? Who say you put money? How you turn so?
Wait, the mommy. That's why I can show you na me good neighbor. Una dey pull na pikin na street. Small pikin down there, they go take market girl. For them go sell. A pikin I go see with one big man.
Mama, I like the man. The father,
look at small pikin there. Go sabi the man.
Abdullah, this man I can't tell me say one man go pay me picky when they call me already. I don't go there.
That is the belle.
You don't want to. Bokunaki sister. There is somebody who want go to Sky. Yeah, I don't go to trouble here today.
Can go do it, sir.
What's wrong with it? Money sweet.
If the what made the company about big man big fool. They never married. One small picking a day I get money. I not go married. They hammer them best staircase. Money in the top and nothing. Oh my God, we are in the mind the party out.
Please wait.
I've done 7 look at the worker.
37 years as constable. I could disable in this. They pull up there.
For 37
years. Now replace this.
Now you go, Augusta. Now you go.
Usai. Now they enter.
Officer Naya.
Okay, now wait. Water, I'll just arrive at the suspect in place, but let me check if we're inside. Roger, no answer. Suspect, please get out or else you are under arrest. No such a person there. It is inside. It is inside.
Sure say the
Yes, ma'am.
It is inside.
It is inside.
Oh man, you should say this person is inside.
Buga, it is inside.
Is this inside?
Suspect, for the very last time, I'm asking you to get out or else. Go, Ikoyeria. At the count of 3, if you're not coming at the door, Ikoyeri, po. Out. 1. Now that. Officer, I demand this. Shut up.
Now this.
Hey, Kokoli Papa. Say, get case now.
Now this.
Papa no go. Papa no go.
Officer, I demand this. You know it. Kokoli Papa.
Papa no go.
money.
Now you.
The papa no go.
Wait. I don't serve the police force for 37 years as constable. I know ever tap a case. Not to this case I go tap.
What's this?
Una no go can disgrace me police identity. Go
Call
him papa. Nah, papa will not tell you.
The papa no go.
Papa don't go.
Yeah.
Well, now the papa for can arrest her for child trafficking. But why papa no the mommy? This is papa no the pass you left her. Officer, that the man this. Another back race, bro. You don't come look look, shut up.
Officer, what did they talk say 90s?
And they say 90s.
Hey.
Small picky like this. No, they go to say this is a bit. It's a bit woman business. Officer, I man this. Later they tell you. Later they tell you. My hand na para kona that map. I watch them. Tell them go inside. Sabia. If you not shut up, are they charge you for false allegation against people in Bikini?
Yeah.
Yes. Now when they make people in Bikini, they go suffer in the prison.
Yeah.
You don't do small like this. It's a Sabi woman business.
Yeah.
It's a woman business. Go shut up. The mommy. Can they control the man? Control the man. Look, they control the man. We just go normal.
The company don't go. They don't go to the water.
What? You don't kill her. Broke neck.
You don't kill her.
Emergency. 34. Broke neck. Hey. You begin. Hey. You 34. Emergency. Cannot cut. Una 1036 ambulance. Who get the issue now? Why you? I'm going to charge you for killing people in Bikini by Islam. You are under arrest. Under arrest. Officer. I see the shake it.
You know that.
Nami.
Are you waiting?
Nami grab this money. Well, grab this money. So now was fine. Now
They listen to you.
Yeah. Talk. What's it on ya? So now see the pass. He send the granate. I don't want color, but now color. One color now. Yeah. Nami, and they talk. Wait, man, they talk. Wait, cut now. Now talk. Now get 70,000. So nothing I say. And they buy only granates.
Okay.
So now buy only granates now. Why buy only granates?
Now waiting.
Now
waiting talk.
you talk. Now
waiting.
Now
waiting do we begin?
Now go inside.
After what's up here?
That picking people let go call police for me.
You don't see? Today I be the one you. Why be the talker is say I left you? Ask of our girls. Shut up! Wait! Wait! Why they tell you to say I'm serving the force for you? And now I'm going to touch you. We don't call life in prison. You are the campaign first lady the past. Say take your hands off our girls' time. You don't put hand on the head to begin like this. For that reason, I'm not going to take your statement. Direct to the in fact.
I'm going for officer. Go with me. Officer, before they slap me to tobacco with me.
No, in fact, I'm not going to come. I'm going to come.
Officer, before they slap me, go with me. Officer, go to other guys.
Shut up! I'm not going to coffee. I'm going to bench you. Go to. I be the owner. I forgot. I be the owner today. Officer, how many people are picking? You see now, where I deny.
Officer,
wait. Police work. For that reason, you understand him. This man is under police custody now. So I'm going to take him to the station. Come on, let's go.
You big man. You like for buy picking markets before you intention. You like for run after small picking. You like for beat woman. You like for cause violence against woman. Our first lady say, get hands off our girls.